Hi, I'm Tim from Ritter Communications. We provide many services from within the communications industry, including colour offset and digital printing. I wanted to take this opportunity to go over the basics of how digital files should be customized for the pre-press area. First, always make sure that each and every photograph or image you include are in CMYK format, not RGB, for 4-color printing. Any images that are supplied in RGB, which is red, green and blue, this format will have to be converted into CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black, by our graphics department before going to print. This not only makes the process more efficient, but also leaves you with a true idea of how your color will turn out once on press. Quality matters. Image quality is vitally important. You must be aware that the screen quality definition of a graphic is 72 dpi and will view to a high quality on the screen. However, when using images for printing, a resolution of at least 300 dpi is a must. If not, the lovely picture you spent hours editing turns out blurry and pixelated when it is in your hands in print. Trim marks are simply small lines placed outside of your image so that your printer knows where to cut once the image has been printed. These marks assist everyone involved in both placement and trimming guides for both single page proofing and also imposition mode. These trim marks sit outside the trim area and are used as guidelines for your press and guillotine operators. Even if you do not place trim marks on your documents, simply telling your vendor the finished size of your piece will help them determine where to cut. During printing, several things need to be kept in check, and registration marks and colour bars help to do so. Adding bleed to your document. On your final layout of pages, you have image area that needs to print to the extent of the page. You need to include excess image on the side or sides where this is required. This is termed as bleed. The bleed area is simply excess image that will not end up on your final piece, but will run on press and later be trimmed off. Communication is key. Although these are the basics, there are also the issues that pre-press operators most often face when preparing your files for printing. The best way to avoid running into these issues with a printer is to always ask detailed questions in advance and openly communicate with your vendor. If you ever have any questions during this process, always know that you can ask us, and we are always willing to help you for a more efficient quality process with your product. We appreciate you taking the time to listen and further understand the basics of pre-press procedures. If you would like more information on the services that we provide, feel free to contact us at any time or visit our website at rittersprinting.com. That's RITTERSPRINTING.com. Thank you very much.